Mom! Do it.
Oh, that's not good.
The fool upside down, that is not good shit.
Bad. That's bad. But what's it predicting?
I don't know. Anything? Ooh, what was I?
You're the same as me.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here, turn your head a little bit to the right. Ooh. Your pyrite, inner fire and power crystal.
Okay. So I'm fucking fool's gold.
Basically.
I'm offended.
Oh, they changed it.
Oh, for fuck's sake! Why do I get all the boring crystals? Fucking fluorite. I'm a powerful cyber guy.
Yeah, I guess you're just really powerful today.
Okay. Fuck the police. Oh my god. I went on a date with somebody who was really hot. Really hot. And then, oh my god, I spilt a margarita, which I got him all over him, and then I went downstairs to get him another one after he was like, I can just get one myself, don't worry about it. And I went downstairs and my bank card failed because I had no money left. So then I had to get the mark, and then he came downstairs while that was happening, and he was like, I can just pay for it. It's like, no, it's cool, I'll get it on tab. And then the guy there was like, yeah, but you've got to come back and pay tomorrow because I need the bar. Anyway, the date was going really badly anyway, because like he just did not think I was particularly cool. And then after all of that awkwardness, I stood up and tripped over a waitress as she was carrying a pizza.
So what you're telling me is that your worst date was not when you dropped a knife on your foot.
Oh, no, not at all. That went really well, weirdly. Considering I opened an artery.
And blood started gushing out, which led to an infection that could have killed you.
Sepsis. Yeah. Weirdly, that works out wonderfully for me.
Yeah, because now you're dating.
Yeah, exactly. We've been together for like a year now. Yeah. Okay, quick dating tip. Mortally wound yourself.
Yes, it really bonds you with your date, you know?
It really does.
You know, life or death.
My winning personality? Oh, it does set my soul on fire. I think I've done too many drugs for my soul to be set on fire anymore. Soulless. No. What do I have a passion in? Oh.
I don't know, philosophy's the first thing I thought of.
Yeah, philosophy. I was just trying to think of something that might have made me sound cooler.
Oh.
No.
I think philosophy's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Philosophical.
No.
Joe said that once. I was quoting her.
Okay.
I didn't come up with that.
Okay,
Credits to
Joe, that was a disappointment. You usually come up with cooler shit than that.
Wow. Burn.
Sorry. I just expected
what
more.
What cooler shit are you expecting?
I don't know. Sounds. Words. Hi.
What? Bro. Oh my god. Shit. Oh my god. I tell you what. Mother trucker.
How does this even work? Whoa, bro. Oh, hi. That's not as cool as the other one.
Just
I'm a
listen.
baby. Baby. Yo. How you doing?
Oh my god. Were you talking to Ashley at the weekend? Because I swear to Christ, like, she's been wearing the Versace's from, like, 3 fucking years ago.
Yeah, okay. Whoa, we're going back in time. Whoa.
Flashback scene. Oh, that one time on the trampoline way back when.
We're having so much fun.
I don't know that was.
What's he even do? Oh my god.
Mom! Why did you go in my room again?
Cheese or you?
If it comes up with something stinky, I swear to fucking god.
Hard and sheepy.
Am I sheepy?
I don't even know. What is that?
Am I
even?
fucking sheepy? Because if I'm sheepy, you better fucking tell me. I don't want to be going
Sheeper.
around looking all like fucking wool jackets and trotters and shit.
Sheep are pretty gay.
What?
They're gay.
Is she gay?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm flying! Oh, I'm flying! Yay! Woo! Oh, I got a streak! Oh, wait, no. Oh, fucked it. Let's do this. Go! Almost there. Oh! I was talking to Susan. She was all like, oh, damn. Them cats always coming up my garden. Oh, scratching at my petunias.